Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Zabbix Server 7.4 on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version by using MySQL as the database. First we will install MySQL Server, then we will install Zabbix Server. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. If you have already installed MySQL, then skip this MySQL installation part. Then directly install Zabbix. Go to mysql.com, click on downloads. Click on MySQL Community Downloads, then select MySQL Community Server, select the 8.4.8 LTS version, then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux, then select the version. I'm on Ubuntu 24.04, then download this deb bundle. Click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 489 megabytes. Download completed, open terminal, go to downloads. Ls, we have to unzip this one, tar-accept MySQL, press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Ls, now we have to install these packages. Before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install both are already installed. Ctrl A, ls. Now install these packages: sudo dpkg-i start.deb. This command will install all debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Provide the password and re-enter the password. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is installed. Okay, Ctrl A. Now go to Zabbix official website. It is zabbix.com. Click on Get Zabbix. Then click on Zabbix Packages. Then scroll down. Select the version from this list. Then select the OS distribution, Ubuntu Linux. Then select OS version. I'm on Ubuntu 24.04. If you are on some other, then you have to select. Then select Zabbix components. I'm going to install server, frontend and agent, database MySQL and web server Apache. Okay, first verify Apache web server is installed or not. Sudo systemctl status Apache 2. See, it is installed and it is enabled and active and running. If it is not installed, just you need to run sudo apt install Apache 2. This is the command to install. Okay, so Ctrl A. So all prerequisites match. Now we have to run these commands one by one. First, become the sudo user, sudo -s. Then run these commands one by one. See, it is going to install Zabbix repository. So execute these three commands. Copy it up to the end. Copy it. Paste it. Hit enter. Successfully downloaded. Ls. See, here we have the Zabbix package. Okay. Ctrl A. Now install it by running this command. Okay. Copy it. It is done. Now update the packages. apt update. It is done. Now install Zabbix server, frontend and agent. So copy this command up to the end. Paste it. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. Now create initial database by connecting to MySQL server. Sudo mysql-u root-b. Provide the password of the root account that you have set for this. Okay. Then first it is going to create database, then it is going to create user, then it is going to grant privileges to this user to this database. Okay. See here, password is password for this user. If you want, you can provide your own. Okay. First create database. Paste it, then create user. I am giving the same password for this demo purpose. Then grant the privileges, set this global value to 1, paste it, quit. Now import the schema and data. So copy it to the end from this jetcat. Copy it, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of this Zabbix user. Here password I have given password, so give the same password. Okay, this will take time. Import successful. Then connect to MySQL server again. Disable. Set this value to 0. MySQL -u root provide the password. Paste it. Here I have given root password, not the Zabbix user password. Okay. Quit. It is done. Now configure the database for Zabbix server. Okay. Go to this file. Zabbix user. Remove the hash in front of DB password. Shift A. Then provide the password. I have given password in my case. If you have given some other, provide that password here. Escape, :WQ, exclamation. Now start Zabbix server and agent processes. So copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now enable it, enable them, paste it, hit enter. Now open web UI by just giving this HTTP host and Zabbix. New tab. Here host is, just give host name. Here we have to give this one. Okay. HTTP : copy this one, or you can give loopback IP or IP of the machine /Zabbix. Hit enter. See, welcome to Zabbix, and select the default language from this list. Then click on next. See, check off prerequisites, all are green and OK. Okay, then click on next step. Then select database type as MySQL, database host localhost, because MySQL is installed on this one. Port number 3306. Username is, database name is Zabbix. This is the username. Then provide the password that you have set for this Zabbix user, that is password. Then click on next step. Not now. Then provide the Zabbix server name. Zabbix is installed on this one, localhost. Then default time zone, select from this list. Default type, select here. If you want to encrypt connection from web interface, click on here and provide CA file information. I don't have, click on next step. This is the free installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on next step. See, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend, and this is the config file. Click on finish. Now we have to log in. Default username is admin, A must be caps. Then provide the password. Password is Zabbix. Is in small cases. Okay, click on sign in. Not now. See, successfully connected. Okay, see, we have connected to Zabbix server 7.4.6. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Zabbix servers 7.4 on Ubuntu 24.04 by using MySQL as the database. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.